Hi friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real path creates victory.
In this video, I am explaining about how to recover your forgotten username and password of your IRCTC account. The login username and password of IRCTC website and IRCTC mobile application is same. So I am going to show the username and password recovery through IRCTC mobile application. Firstly, install IRCTC application from Play Store. Then open the app and click on login. For recover your username, click on forgot username. Enter your registered email ID, date of birth and captcha here. Then click on submit. Click OK on this message. You will receive user ID on your email ID within seconds. Look at this, I got my user ID. This is the method of username recovery. For recover your forgotten password, click on password. Enter your username, date of birth and captcha here. Then click next. Now click on OK. You will receive a verification code in your registered email ID and mobile. Enter the verification code here. Then create a new password with minimum strength 8 characters and a combination of letters and digits. Then re-enter the password again for confirmation. Look at this, I filled the details carefully. Then click on submit. Now the password changed successfully. Keep your username and password safe for future use. Now the username and password recovery is completed successfully. You can log in your IRCTC account through IRCTC website now. But for login this app, firstly create a 4-digit PIN. For setting a login PIN, enter the username and password and captcha here. Then click on login. Enter a 4-digit PIN here as you wish. Then click submit. Then click on OK. Now the IRCTC application is logged successfully. Now you can utilize the features of IRCTC. I think this video is informative for you. Don't forget to like and support my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. Now goodbye and Jai Hind.